Hello my loves, hope you're doing fantastic. It's your favorite girl here, Treza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my new subscribers, karibuni sana, and to my returning subscribers, welcome and feel at home. And for those who have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe on my channel, Treza Official. Also guys, don't forget to turn on notification bell so that anytime I will be uploading my videos, guys, you'll be notified. Guys, remember I told you I'm gonna show you my house tour. So hii ndio aka ndio kanyumba ketu kadogo kenye tulianzisha nako maisha, and we're gonna start with our bedroom. Yeah, so bedroom yetu sorry, iko na vitu kidogo sana. So we start with our mattress. Hey mama yangu, we start with our duvet. We have our first duvet here. Yeah, and this is our second duvet. Reason being, nimeweka two duvets. Like this house, you can't sleep with one duvet, jabaridi. And these are mafuta. Nimesahau, like, hii ni mafuta yetu. This is a spray. My God, hii ni spray yetu though. Hii sasa nile like this spray aka nakatumianga na kutravel. So when I'm traveling, natumia hiyo with Rexona. So bed yetu inakaa hivyo ikiwa wow. Yeah, that's our bed. It's so big. Hii ndio bed yenye tuliamua like we're gonna start life with. And these are pillows. I've got 5 good pillows. Don't ask me why. Nime color crush. I like shouting colors, and that's why I make all these colors because they're shouting. Mimi napenda shouting colors. Yeah, these are pillows 3 and we have 2 over there. So total 5 pillows. Mimi napenda pillows. So kitu nimebakisha kuongeza kwa hii bed ni dolly because I don't have someone mwenye nalala naye. So and this bed is so big. Asina msee mwenye nalala naye. So ndio bed yetu nakaa hivyo. Yeah, that's our bed. And let's go to our curtain. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you guys. My favorite color is gray, red, gray, white, and pink. And yeah, hivyo. So, na pia shouting colors zote. Hizi ndio curtains zetu. Simona like everything is gray in this house. By the hata sitting room yangu, I'll show you, and it's gray also. So, like kila kitu there, it's gray. I'm gonna show you. So these are curtains, as you can see. Ziko na print za gray and white kama bed yetu, as you can see. Yeah, hizo ndio curtain yetu. Mimi napenda gray. So let's go to our wardrobe. Oh my goodness, that's our wardrobe. Okay, I won't show you my wardrobe done right now. Reason being, sijai arrange by the inakaa tu vile inataka. So I won't show you right now. And these are being in ya kukango chafu. Alafu nataka mkae chini, like mkae chini mjue vile hizi nguo zitaosha. Todo ni I hate washing clothes. Nachukia kufua nguo. Yeah. Hiyo ndio bine. By that si mingi. Zinafaa zijae hapo ndio tuite mama fua. It's early. I have got another week. Ndio mama fua kuja afue kodhio. Mimi nakufua sipendi kabisa. So bedroom yetu yote it looked like that. Curtains zetu na ni ndefu, ziko chini hata hazionekani. Our wardrobe, our door ya kutoka nje, then our bed again. Yeah, that's our bed. I like this bed. It's my favorite. Like ikitanda, I just love it so much because inaweza kufunikwa nikibai, and I just loved the color, everything about it. Yeah, it looks like that. Print za mbele, they looks like that. Ziko na buttons. But hope mnaona guys. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, comment on my videos. Comment there down. Uniambie ni mnataka nionyeshe wapi kwingine. Hii ni bedroom yetu peke yake. Then tell me on the next video nataka nionyeshe wapi kwingine. Yeah. So msisahau ku subscribe, ku like, share, comment on my videos, and sana turn on notification bell so that anytime I'm turning that red button so that anytime I will be uploading my videos, you'll be notified. Okay, yeah. I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the love, support. Like, I just because right now to go 240 something subscribers, guys, I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much, and be blessed. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. I told you I'll be posting. Yeah, after niambia nimerudi, I told you I'll be posting, and this is our first video to post at our new house. So this is our new house so far. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video.